Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Videoseeder review. Now for those of you out there who are editing video and putting video out there, and you realize like I do that making the video and editing the video is really only half the battle. After you put out the video, you have to go onto your social media channels, you have to put your videos out there, get those backlinks, share your video, and it's a really audacious manual process that me personally much prefer not to have to do, and I'm sure a lot of you out there feel the same. If you do feel the same, this is definitely for you. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Videoseeder and see what it's all about and see how it works and see how it can also boost your SEO and actually protect you from spammers, which is quite interesting. As well as that, I've also sourced you some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand, I think, and really help you get the most out of Videoseeder, really help you hit the ground running. But before we get into that, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want more updates with more products coming out that are going to help you make money online, hit that subscribe button and turn on that little bell notification. Also, really quickly, if you want to jump ahead at any point and check Videoseeder out on your own, make sure you first go to the link in the description, and that will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. My contact details at the top. And basically how my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Videoseeder vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, that will essentially lock in all these bonuses before then sending you off to the vendor sales page. So when you do purchase Videoseeder, you'll not only get Videoseeder, but you'll also get all these bonuses thrown in with it that you can access all together in one big bundle immediately. Really quickly, the first bonus I've gotten for you is called social media income. Now these usually come on their own depending on what platform you want to be more versed at, but I've thrown them all into like a 5-part bonus here. So you've got everything you need to know about marketing on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Okay, the biggest social media platforms with the most engagement. So when you're posting to each one using Videoseeder, you're going to have a better understanding of how to post, the style at which you should post. If you post on Pinterest in the style of Facebook, if you post on Instagram in the style of LinkedIn, it just doesn't work. Okay, there's a certain language, there's a certain nuance with how people communicate on each one. This is going to teach you exactly how to do that. So you're really getting the most out of Videoseeder when you do come to that syndication. The next one I've gotten for you is evergreen leads. Now this goes into just getting leads. How do you manually go out, go on offense and get leads rather than sit back and just hope that they come? So this is going to give you that little bit extra knowledge to get a little bit more extra traffic to your videos and to your landing pages or whatever. Bonus number 3 I've gotten for you, another 2-part bonus. So 2 really great plugins here. One is Extreme List Build, and what this does is it creates landing pages for you. So you know, if you're sending traffic to a landing page, maybe the video's on there, this is going to help you to create really great looking landing pages where you can capture emails and put offers, put whatever you want on there, call to action buttons, and you don't need to have any developer knowledge or programming knowledge or anything like that. The second one I've gotten for you is WordPress YouTube Leads, and this enhances user engagement on your YouTube videos. So if you are making your videos on YouTube, which you probably are, this is a really great plugin for that as well if you're going to integrate YouTube videos onto your WordPress site. Bonus number 4 I've got for you, a very new product called Facebook Groups Unleashed. Now I use Facebook Groups extensively because I'm all about going on offense. I'm all about, you know, actively going out and getting traffic, whether it's to my products or to my coaching. And this product helped me out a lot. It teaches you how to use Facebook groups and how to communicate in Facebook groups so you don't look like a spammer, so you're not pissing anybody off, but that you can utilize groups and you can utilize the niche specific audiences within those groups, which is really important. The next bonus I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up with full access to give to you to their vendor bonuses. So really quickly, the first one is WordPress copy sites. So move articles and pages from one site to another. You can pause the screen and check out these descriptions. We've got Pingerjeet, we've got Tube Inspector Jeet, we've got Social Media Game, we've got Auto Articles Wizard, which is great. We've got List Mail, we've got Keywords Goldmine, rank with videos on Google and get more organic leads by choosing the right keywords. Super important. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, link in the description. Go to my bonus page, lock in your bonuses on these green buttons. That will take you to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. I would recommend going through it in your own time, so we're not here all day, and yeah, making an informed decision. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt which looks like this, and as I said, under the green button will be Videoseeder, under the blue button all those bonuses. So as I said, you're getting everything easy peasy. Keep your eye on this countdown timer though. This is all a launch week special, so when this runs down to 0, any pricing you're getting through these links that is activated through these buttons or any bonuses like that will no longer be available. If there's still time on here, everything will still work. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. So without further ado, let's get into having an over-the-shoulder look at Videoseeder so you can see what it's all about.
Videoseeder is the most powerful video publishing and syndication system invented. Technicforce's latest productivity software lets you take video from your computer and put it everywhere in a snap. It will publish your videos on 5 different video sites, promote them on 10 popular social sites, as well as post them to your blogs, all on autopilot. This will instantly maximize your reach and visibility, get the most amount of eyes on your content, generate amazing traffic, build terrific backlinks, and improve your website's SEO and search results page rank, leading to even more traffic, customers, sales, and money in your pocket. Getting started is easy. The first thing you'll have to do before you can start sharing videos is connect your accounts. To start, go to the Upload Accounts tab. Then in the bottom corner, click Add Upload Account. Here you can choose from YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dropbox. Just click on the platform you want to connect, and the secure authorization window will open. Here you can provide your login credentials, and this will be communicated directly to the platform holder, so you don't have to worry about your privacy being compromised. And then allow Videoseeder permission to access your account. Then confirm your permissions. As a confirmation, you'll see your new account added to the Videoseeder video account platform page. You can continue doing this for all the various other video platforms as well. Next, go to Promotion Accounts. And in the bottom corner, click Add Promotion Account. Here we're going to add an account to promote our various videos. In this case, let's add Facebook. Once again, the secure authorization window will open, and this is directly with the platform holder, so we can confidently add our login credentials. And grant the various permissions. And select a page that we want our promotions to be shared with. And we'll confirm the permissions. And once again, as a confirmation, we'll see our new promotion account added to our Videoseeder Promotion Accounts platform page. Now that we have at least one video account and at least one social account, now we can start sharing some videos. Let's go to the Campaign tab and add a new campaign with this button in the bottom corner. And we'll give our campaign a name, then click Save and Proceed. To edit a campaign, we can right-click on the Edit Campaign icon, and that will allow us to give the campaign a new name. And we can save and proceed. Or we can left-click on the Edit Campaign icon, and that will bring us directly into the campaign dashboard. For this campaign, we can select the Upload Accounts by clicking the Upload Accounts tab. And we'll add an upload account by clicking the button. And here we'll select whichever accounts that we've already set for our Videoseeder account to add to this particular campaign. Now we'll do the same thing for promotion accounts. We'll add a promotion account to this campaign. We'll select this one. Now before we upload a video, let's check our campaign settings. Here we can see that we're checkmarked to automatically add uploaded videos to promotion, and that the gap between video loads will be between 10 minutes to 30 minutes. We can adjust that however we want. The gap between promotions posts, we can likewise edit however we wish. We can also set the times that we upload and post between. Now we can proceed to upload a video. From the Uploaded Videos tab, we can click Add Video, and we'll browse on our computer to select a video. Choose the video you want to upload, click Open, and then Next. Now we can give our video a title as it will appear on the video platforms. We can assign any tags, as well as an item description. Then save and proceed. So now this video upload task has been queued to be uploaded to the account specified. We can continue adding more videos to the queue by hitting the back button. Once you've loaded all the videos you want into the queue, you can either click the queue button on the sidebar, in the top bar, or at this black banner here at the bottom, and this will open or close the queue. When you're ready to start the upload and promotion process, just click play. This will start your video posting and promotions as indicated in the schedule in the campaign settings. If you have a video that you want to upload or promote immediately, we'll just pause this here. You can go to the Upload Video tab here in the sidebar. And the same process again, we'll just select a video from our computer, open it, go to the next screen, give it a title, some tags, and a description, and then go next. We'll select the accounts that we want it uploaded to, save and proceed. Now this upload task is queued and it will be uploaded immediately, independent of any campaign schedules. Here we can see the YouTube has started processing. And here in the status bar we can see that the video is uploading. And here we can see the video successfully uploaded to YouTube. Now likewise, if there's a video that we want to promote immediately, independent of any schedules, we can just go to the Promote Video button here in the sidebar, paste in our video URL, give it a title, tags, and click Next. We'll give it a short description and a medium description, and then click Next. Here we'll select the social account that we want to promote to, add that to our selected accounts, save and proceed. And again, immediately, Videoseeder will start promoting that post to our selected account. Here we can see in the status bar the process of what's happening. And in just a moment, we have the success prompt telling us that our post has been successfully promoted to Facebook. We can also keep track of all of our uploads and promotions by clicking on the Report tab here in the left sidebar. Within the Actions report, we can see all the uploads and promotions that we've made, as well as their current status. We can see here that this one is still in the status of processing. These have been successfully promoted or successfully uploaded. Here we can see we had an upload error. And here you can see that we still have something in the queue. Our successful uploads and promotions also have a redirect icon here to make it easy for us to click on to see the uploaded video. And we can see here's the test demo video uploaded to our Facebook page. We can do the same thing for our video uploads. We can click on the See Uploaded Video, and that will bring us to our uploaded video page. And that's how easy it is to upload videos to various accounts, promote them to various accounts, and set it all on an automatic schedule with Videoseeder.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to using Videoseeder and seeing what it can do for you. Now really quick again, if you go through the link in the description on my bonus page, I've got a bit of a description here on what you can expect as far as pricing goes. So this is really the sales funnel here. So the first one is Videoseeder, the front end, $24 to $37, depending on how quick you get in. And that's basically everything you saw in the video. Then you have the Pro upgrade for $47, gets you unlimited videos, unlimited accounts, and just a lot more. Come through and take a look at the difference. And then you've got another upsell, which is Videoseeder Agency. It allows you to sell Videoseeder accounts to your clients or to whoever, and you get 100% of the profits. So it basically acts as your product. We've got Channel Authority Builder, helps customers build authority channels on YouTube using secret strategies, and they give you advice on what niches to go into. And Play Traffic Pro, drive more traffic to any site or YouTube using YouTube playlists. So depending on what you think is going to suit your situation and what you need to do, you make that decision. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, enjoy Videoseeder. I know I will. It's going to save me a ton of time. I love products that sell you your time back. They're just, that's the most valuable asset for me personally. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.